You know how I always try to get you to follow through on things and you usually give up instead? This is one of those times to give up.
She's a beauty, right? As soon as I saw that, I realized all the things I wish I'd done.
You're kind of immature. I need to be with someone who lives like they don't have all the time in the world.
Oh, hey, babe. I'm proposing to you.
I'm sorry. I should have told you before.
I bought a coffin.
Right on. You gonna kill me and bury me in the woods? You see, something happens when you face death.
So you're just gonna die?
Well, I don't know what to do yet.
Really? I do.
Looks great.
This is another big circus that's all about you.
I'm not even gonna ask why you're dressed like a dick.
This is a hot dog. I don't know why you think it looks like a penis.
Get back in the coffin.
You kind of make a big deal about stuff.
I swear to God, Jeff, I'm gonna kill you.
Trying to do the right thing.
I want to go streaking.
Hurry up, Jeff. It's not over.
Who wants to get in first, huh?
Kate, it's me. Are you home?
You know what time it is, Jeff?